This here is the Samsung messaging app. I have some news for you guys. If you have the S21 device, then you already know this is not the default messaging app. The default messaging app is, okay, let me just show you. I'm gonna type messages here, gonna click here, and I'll have to now set the default messaging app from One UI 3.1, which is in fact the Google Messages. There is this big dream from a lot of Android users to just simply take the phone in the hand, try to send a message to somebody else, and do this with mobile data. And Google started to work on this by providing RCS messages, and of course Samsung teamed up with Google, and this is why actually the default messaging application in the latest One UI actually comes from Google. But a lot of people were not happy with the design, and they were really used to using this stock One UI messaging application. Now, why I'm doing this video, guys, and why you're watching this video, I'm a better user from the Google Messages application, and you can also become a better user when you subscribe to the better program, of course, if there are places. As I was scraping the internet, I understood that there is a version released yesterday, an update actually from yesterday, and this update is actually the version 7.9.0.5.1. So I'm going to apply this update, and I want to see the changes, because the news I've heard is that Google are trying to unify the look, make it a bit more One UI-ish, so that people or heavy regular Samsung users as well don't get annoyed when they use the Google messaging, and that it really feels as part of the One UI. Alright, the update has been installed, so I'm gonna open it, and this guys here is the latest Google Samsung messages application, right? And it feels really a lot of like One UI. And to show you really that I'm just using this, I'm gonna go to App Info, we're gonna scroll down, and what we can see here, I'm gonna zoom this up a bit. It is indeed using version 7.9.0.5.1. This is indeed the version that came from Google. Okay, I'm gonna go again inside, and you see my default messaging application is the Samsung one. So of course I switched up to Google, and it's asking me, right? So I'm gonna cancel this one, and again showing you this is here indeed the One UI stock Samsung messaging client. So you have this One UI feel and look, one finger, one-handed operation pretty much enabled, right? And I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna show you guys the Google Messages. It does really look a lot like what we've seen before, and that's actually a pretty welcome change. Some people were not happy with the fact that Samsung was pushing Google Messages application. Alright, Google did something, they addressed the design, I would say, issues, and they really made it look as an integral part of the One UI. So right now we have Samsung Google Messages, and they finally did it right this time. So if you have a more recent phone, guys, S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, just go and download this. I'm also hearing the word that it might also work on other phones as Google are rolling it out. So yeah, just to so you have the search button here, you have all your unread messages, and you might see I'm not really a big fan of SMSs anyway, but enjoy this new application, guys. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, you might as well subscribe, which will be highly appreciated. Stay safe, again, you and your families, and we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.